Hi everybody,
It's Cici
and Bri, and today we're eating 2 times spicy noodles. So we are super excited. We're gonna try to beat the timer of 5 minutes, and we have 3 packs of noodles because for us it's about the spice and not the quantity.
We're gonna try.
Yeah, we're gonna try to do it.
Yes.
So here we go. We're gonna get into this.
Yes. So while she's putting the sauce on the noodles, I want to tell you guys about our giveaway. We're going to be giving away 2 gift cards to 2 lucky people. And there's only 4 steps on how to enter into our giveaway. First, like this video. Second, share this video. 3, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified for our next video update when we talk about when we announce the winner of the giveaway, as well as comment and let us know if you've had these 2 times spicy noodles. Was it as spicy as people say they are, or it wasn't that bad? You have until the 31st of May to enter into our giveaway, and on June 1st we're going to be posting a video that morning announcing who won. So you have until 11:59 May 31st to enter into the giveaway. We'll announce on June 1st the 2 winners of our gift cards. Oh wait, should we mix them first?
Yeah,
we should mix them first.
Okay,
and then,
okay, let's do it. All right, let's get started.
Yes, let us mix this nice and good.
Let me not pop any of the spice anywhere.
Right.
So I like spice, but I am really nervous about these noodles because firstly, I see that they're eating pretty dry, and I like a lot of broth in my noodles.
Yeah, I do mine like really soupy. Like I want it to be like a soup.
Yeah, so I feel like, first of all, that's just gonna be super spicy just for the pure fact that there's like no broth with it.
You should do a thumbnail, like holding it up. Okay, yes, it's gonna be cute.
Oh my gosh, y'all. It's so much spice on this side, I'm scared.
Oh my god, it's starting to get, like I'm breathing it in. Like,
oh my gosh.
It looks so good.
I hope it actually tastes good too, because that really matters to me, how good I'm gonna eat this. Okay, that's enough mixing. Let's do it. It's gonna be hot either way. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my timer.
Oh, yes.
Let's see, hold on. Oh my goodness, I'm shaking. I almost can't start the timer. Okay, start.
5 minutes? We could do this. We could do this.
Not yet.
We can do this.
Oh, there it goes. It's starting right now.
Okay, come on.
Shoot.
I'm gonna give me a little bowl of it.
Sorry, girl, I'm gonna be right with you. Should've got a little stand. That's okay. We're gonna hear a sound off. Ooh.
All right. Let me just.
Dang, I needed 5 minutes just to put it in a bowl.
You know what?
What? No.
It ain't even that hot.
It's hot. Look at me. Somebody that really loves spicy food and know it's spicy.
Don't say it if you don't speak on it.
Oh, no, this ain't spicy at all.
All right.
Yeah, let's make the mind believe it. Let's see. Let's try that.
Where's your applesauce?
Ooh, I was supposed to cool it down with applesauce.
I got milk, y'all.
All right. Woo. Ooh. Uh-oh. You good, Cici? I think when you eat food that's too spicy, Man, it gotta be turning on something in your brain, like a defense mechanism of some sort. I'm sorry, but all praise that we did not choose 4 packs of noodles. 4 packs of noodles just sound ridiculous at this point. Whoopsie. It's like my mouth is saying no.
I'm gonna eat some more.
Hey. Oh,
It's like when I breathe.
Why does it have to be spicy and hot
It's
at the
hot
same time?
and it's spicy. Let me get some. Ooh. Ooh wee.
All right.
All right. My scalp burning. My scalp is burning. All right.
It's like my mouth want to eat more. Like I'm trying to. I feel like I'm getting a little bit. You know. You know what? Spice in itself seemed like a whole nother. What is this type of
What I know
feeling?
like is that it's like sweet when it first put it in your mouth. You get that sweet, like it's kind of. I'm trying to talk and my lips is like. Oh my god. Overthinking. How many minutes we got left?
I don't know. Oh man, 51 seconds.
You know what? It's not even bad no more.
Your tongue is probably burnt off.
It's when I start breathing in that it starts coming.
Oh my. I'm just gonna watch us struggle through the last couple of seconds. I'm gonna have to spread this out throughout the week. It's all right. Y'all hear that sound? It sounds like deliverance. That sounds like deliverance.
Using the milk for chapstick. I'm like,
Time for the applesauce.
okay, you guys. We failed.
But that's okay.
I just knew that I could do this. Okay. Let's recap on the giveaway. Like the video. Share the video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment. Let us know if you've had these noodles. Have you been able to eat a pack? Because I can't even. Oh, it's so hot.
Applesauce, that's all.
All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.